In the name of Allah, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today's subject is EVS, class 3rd, and our today's topic is flying high. Dear students, dear students, first of all, we will learn something about birds. Dear students, when you visit a zoo, you might see many birds. You might see peacocks, parrots, eagles, pigeons, vultures, some other some other interesting birds are woodpecker and hummingbird. Dear students, dear students, मीनिंग ऑफ हमिंगबर्ड यानी शुक्रखोरा, ये एक परिंदा का नाम है जो जो नहायत जो मिठास का नहायत शौक से खाता है। इसको हमिंग बर्ड कहते हैं। इसका नाम है हमिंग बर्ड। bird because each bird has unique beak. You can even identify the birds by seeing their beaks: parrots, eagles, crow, peacocks, duck. Bird food. Dear students, different birds eat different food. The parrot eats guavas and green chili. Guavas means amrud and green chilies means hari mirchi. The eagle and vulture eat dead animals. The woodpecker eats insects. Dear students, the pigeons eat seeds. How do birds fly? The body of birds is covered with feathers. The feathers are the muscles in the wings help the birds to fly. The tail helps to control the directions and middle by twisting the tail. Do you know that some birds cannot fly? Birds like emus, ostrich, and penguins are too heavy to fly. Dear students, today's we will start the lesson flying high. On my head I have a crest. All say I dance the best. Of my feathers I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. Long and grooved is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. I peak and eat all the noise. I pick and eat all the mice. The dash is what you call me. The eagle is what you call me. Dear students, my feathers are green. My beak is red. Guava and green chili I am fed. I love to copy I love to copy people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. Break are my feathers and break is my dash. Cow cow kawa kawa I do all day long. Dear students, see you lesson. On my head I have a crest. All say I dance the best. Oh my feathers, I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. Dear students, on my head I have a crest. मेरे सर पर एक ताज है. यानी all say I dance the best. सभी कहते हैं कि मैं सबसे अच्छा नाचता हूँ. Oh my feathers, I am proud. मुझे अपने पैरों पर नाज है. Before the rain I cry aloud. Aloud. Before the rain I cry aloud. बारिश से पहले मैं बहुत शोर मचाता हूँ. बोलो बोलो मैं कौन हूँ. Dear students, this bird's name is peacock, यानी मोर. Dear students, this bird's name is peacock, यानी मोर. Long and grooved is my tail. लंबी और नाली हुई मेरी दुम है. High up and the sky I sail. High up in the sky I sail. मैं बहुत ऊंचा उड़ के आसमानों की सैर करता हूँ. I pick and eat all the mice. मैं चूहों को उठाकर खाता हूँ. The dash is what you call me. Dear students, this bird's name is eagle, यानी चील. Number 3, my feathers are green. मेरे पर सब्ज रंग के हैं. My beak is red. और मेरी चोंच का रंग सुर्ख यानी लाल है. Goa and green chili I am fed. अमरूद और हरी मिर्च खाता हूँ मैं लोगों की. अमरूद और हरी मिर्ची खाता हूँ. I love to copy people's voice. मैं लोगों की आवाज़ों की नकल करता हूँ. And keep making a lot of noise. मैं लोगों की आवाज़ों की नकल करता हूँ. बोलो मैं कौन हूँ. Dear students, this bird's name is parrot, यानी तोता. Number 4, black are my feathers. मेरे परों का रंग काला है. Black is my dash. और मेरी चोंच का रंग भी काला है. डैश यानी बीक. कौवा कौवा आई डू ऑल डे लॉन्ग. दिन भर काव काव करता हूँ. बोलो मैं कौन हूँ. Dear students, this bird's name is crow, यानी कौवा. Dear students, this was all about our today's topic. So have a good day. Khuda Hafiz.